Let us see the diameters of the skull. First, the anteroposterior diameters. The suboccipitobregmatic diameter extends from the nape of the neck to the center of the bregma and it measures 9.5 centimeters. The presentation here is vertex and the plane of engagement is biparietal suboccipitobregmatic, which is almost round in shape, and its circumference is 27.5 centimeters and it is seen in complete flexion. In partially deflexed head, the engaging diameter is suboccipitofrontal. It extends from nape of the neck to the center of the sinciput and it measures 10 cm. Presentation is a vertex presentation and attitude is incomplete flexion. In marked deflection, the engaging diameter is occipitofrontal diameter extending from the occipital eminence to the root of the nose, that is the glabella. It measures 11.5 centimeters. Here the presentation is vertex presentation and the plane of engagement is biparietal occipitofrontal, which is oval in shape, and its circumference is 34 centimeters. Mentovertical diameter extends from the midpoint of the chin to highest point on sagittal suture. It measures 14 centimeters and the presentation is brow presentation. Here, the plane of engagement is biparietal mentovertical, which is a bigger oval shape than the previous one, and the circumference measures 37.5 centimeters. Here, there is partial extension. Submentobregmatic diameter extends from the junction of floor of the mouth and neck to the center of the bregma. It measures 9.5 centimeters and the attitude of the head is complete extension. Here, the plane of engagement is biparietal submentobregmatic, which is almost round in shape, and here the circumference is 27.5 centimeters. Here the presentation is face and it is complete extension. Now let us see about the transverse diameters of skull. Biparietal diameter is 9.5 centimeters. It extends between two parietal eminences. Whatever may be the position of head, this diameter nearly always engages. Bitemporal diameter is 8 centimeters and it is the distance between the antero-inferior ends of the coronal sutures. Bimastoid diameter is 7.5 centimeters. It is the distance between the tips of the mastoid process. The diameter is incompressible and is impossible to reduce the length of the bimastoid diameter by obstetrical operation. The other diameter is super subparietal diameter, that is 8.5 centimeters. It extends from the point placed below one parietal eminence to a point placed above the other parietal eminence of the opposite side. So this is about the transverse and vertical diameters of fetal skull. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Dr. KCH, Obstetrician and Gynecologist.